Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In the lecture series of Material Studio, we are at the lecture number 8, and in today's lecture, we will discuss about the optical properties of tri-doped titanium dioxide. So, as we already optimized the tri-doped structure of titanium dioxide in the previous lecture, so we will start our property calculation from this optimized structure. Here is our optimized structure with tri-dope, and is the status. Also, the number of iteration is 95 and energy is minus 4.0.488. This is the energy graph, and this one is the convergence. So let's moving ahead toward the property calculation. So for this, firstly we will open our optimized structure, and then we will go with the previous calculation step. We just change geometry optimization to properties in the task section. All the other parameters are set previously, so from here we just select the optical properties, and this one should be speed. Okay, everything is okay. Now just click on run. So the calculation is started. If we see in description, so it will take some time. Now the calculation has been started. We see the K point is running 1 out of 5. Maybe it will take 20 to 30 minutes. So then we will analyze, and we will discuss the results. So we see total the calculation is 4 out of 5. So everything goes normal. The calculation is running. Within a few minutes we will get our result output file, and then we will analyze. But keep in mind that all these are the just journal strip, because we are discussing just a journal flow of how to start the calculation. So for getting accurate result, we have to set all these parameters very precisely. For getting accurate result, there are some parameters we have to change, like empty bands. As we know, for the empty band 20 is for semiconductor is very high. We have to set empty band like 20, 15, 18, or 20 is enough. 20 is okay, but at this case 20 is very large, so we have to start from 12. Okay, so our calculation is done for the optical properties. Now we will analyze our result. So this is our output file for optical properties. We will simply analyzing. So for this, getting the CASTEP module, and click on analysis, and from here we select optical properties. So firstly we will click we will select reflectivity, and then units. Either take electron volt or nanometer. So electron volt is okay. Now press on calculate, and then click on view. So we see this is our reflectivity of our tri-doped titanium dioxide. For other, like for absorption, just move ahead with the same step and select optical properties. From here select replace absorption with the reflectivity, and click on calculate. Just simply view, we will see the absorption. This is the absorption, and for other refractive index, for dielectric function and conductivity, just going with the same procedure, click on view. So here is the refractive index and dielectric function. Click on the same way, and then press view. So we see all the graph. So this is how you find the optical properties of tri-doped titanium dioxide. With this, thank you very much. If anyone have any question, please feel free to comment.